Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer property to a trust using Trust and Will easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer property to a trust using Trust and Will, begin by logging into your Trust and Will account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the Trust section of your dashboard. Select the option to add or transfer property to your trust. You will be prompted to enter the details of the property you wish to transfer. This includes the property type, address, and current ownership information. Next, provide information on how the property is currently titled. Make sure to review any specific requirements for your jurisdiction. After entering the property details, you will be asked to input your trust name. Double-check the name to ensure accuracy. Once all property information is entered, proceed to add any co-trustees if applicable. Next, review the information you provided to confirm its accuracy. Once confirmed, you will be guided to generate the deed to transfer the property. Download the generated deed and print it out. Follow the instructions on the deed for signing and notarizing. Once signed, you will need to file the deed with your local county recorder's office. This step is crucial for the transfer to become official. Finally, store a copy of the recorded deed in a safe place with your trust documents. Your property is now successfully transferred to your trust. Congratulations on taking this important step in estate planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.